Okay, so me and Frankie are behind the scenes.
Oh my God.
And she's wearing my shoes that are way too big for her.
Look at the back.
And we're going down to the railroad to shoot our next scene. Say hi.
And it's right now it is 3:26, Tuesday, January 26th, 2010. Okay. Yay! Oh, car. Car. Okay, let's act like I'm not taking a picture and I'm just zooming through my photos. Oh, that's a nice photo.
Oh yeah, it's pretty.
Alright, there's another car. There, Lee. Okay, Megan, stop.
Look at that.
Okay, there's a mini stream because it rained like crazy yesterday.
And you're on babies in there.
And we're going down to the to the river that's right behind the railroad. Oh, cars coming. Just stay still. And this is where we lost Casey for like
that fucking dog
for like 3 hours. And
you're gonna have to censor that.
Yeah, she was annoying. But
we'll just act casual.
Snowflake.
It's snowing?
Yeah.
It's snowing.
Snowing.
But very little. We should talk in a British accent.
We should.
Don't. We like tea time very much.
Is that your puppet? I like my brother shaking his ass.
Yes, indeed. My brother does shake his ass at me. We are way too... Oh, it's getting really cold because it's snowing. And my hands are freezing. We are going down to the railroad and hopefully we don't get hit by a train. Oh my God, I'm like babbling.
There's another stream.
I drowned, baby.
So today we basically had a food fight in the cafeteria.
Clementines and apples. And I thought that was something else. No, that's it.
He threw something else at me, but I didn't know what it was. I just wanted to get back.
Oh yeah, that was like a piece of paper or something. Okay.
I like sticks! Ready? Oh, I'm ninja.
I don't think the camera could see it. Okay, I'm like shaking. That's a big rock. Ooh, it is cold. It is
cold. You're like my science teacher when he stutters.
It's cold.
It's asphalt.
Earth science. He learned that in Earth science last year. Earth science sucks ass. Here's another one, and it sounds really cool. See. I'm surprised this water is still running because it's really cold. And it goes all the way down there to the river. We're almost to the river. We're about halfway there. I think Frankie's like falling in. Ow, falling off this thingy. Sorry, I grabbed you.
It's okay. We always do that. Like, we're in trouble, we're about to fall. Be like,
there is the river right behind the house. Oh, my golly.
I bet that water's cold.
I bet you're cold.
I am cold.
So am I. And there's a house, but hey, Mom, the trains. If I may say so myself. Say myself what?
Myself.
Say so myself what? My hands are freezing.
Oh, I tried to burp it and come out.
That's a cool tree. Oh shit, I think I hear a train.
Come on. We would have get it. I can't run that fast. Ow.
he do this time, guys?
I'm already out of breath. Train! I'm trying. We have to go down this quiet trail. I think it's private property, so we have to be really quiet. Okay, Frankie, we're not going to make it even if we do run that fast.
What?
We're probably not going to make it even if we do run that fast. And I think it's on the other side of the river. Yeah, it's on the other side. We ran past ice. Yeah, we definitely ran for nothing, and now it's really cold.
Take a picture of me.
I'll do it on the way back.
Okay.
Okay.
What What's my magic trick?
It's really cold. Here, let's watch Frankie's magic trick. I'll go up. Frankie!
Might not work. Oh yeah, well. I'm magical.
It looks like someone killed a golden retriever. Okay, a train should be coming in like 10 minutes. Somewhere around there. Hopefully we record it. We're almost there. Okay. We have to call into this gate because I don't think we're allowed through there. And we don't know the passcode. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Frozen lake type thing to do. There's a lot of water around here.
What? Did you say? I don't know. I said there's a lot of water around here.
Okay.
Oh crap.
I can take this train.
This is too big.
The train. Frankie! Frankie, I hear a car coming. Come on, run. We're not supposed to be on this road. Ow. Okay. Yeah?
I should stand. Well, it's just coming right there.
Here is our wonderful train track. If you follow out there, all the way to the bridge, it's Vanderbilt. And all the way down there is some marina type thing, majigger. I'm just showing the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Now we just have to wait for our train to come.
Do you think this train would reach you if you were laying down flat like that?
I think so. It went on like, whatchamacallit.
If we were flat chested, it wouldn't.
Good point.
And if it would like rip past your hair out too.
Yeah. Or like, it wouldn't if you were in a oh my god, what's that called? A subway.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like down much cheaper. And they're bigger. Okay, do you think I should stop the camera now? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.